car runs. Now you bonding on it.
I don't know. I don't know about that.
My shit
It
does.
looked like my car gets more angle than your car. I don't know.
Niggas in Japan got cut knuckles getting more angle than your car.
Oh, hell no. Damn. Shout out to Weissfab. Guess I could have had it just cut knuckle instead of Weissfab.
Yeah, you sure?
Yeah, right.
Any happen. All this you gotta be tight.
And if you don't know, now you know. Sergi got the jams on.
That's right. Yeah.
Oh, thank God for moving that for me.
Feel the back of the gun.
Ah?
Feel the back of the gun. Feel it.
Oh, shout out to D-Wall. You know what I'm saying? It's hot. Cook some bacon on that. I got you, Sergi.
I do.
Dying again or what?
Yeah.
Fucking D-Wall,
This thing's been around for like 5 years, 6 years already.
Yeah, it's time for a new one. Is that even a brushless?
No.
I don't even think it is. They got brushless now, doggy. Damn, Sergi hammered the S15. Said it didn't fit. popping, so it's just popping. Let's check out these welds. That's inspection, X-ray test.
Penetrated.
Oh, looks clean. Oh, that didn't penetrate. Whatever. Every day and every night. Ah, you got the jams on, sir.
Oh my god.
I gotta bring the car down.
Satisfied, Sergi?
I'm not down. I gotta bring the car down.
Alright, let's go check in with Otis. Otis! What are you looking for?
17, nigga.
17? It's right there.
No, it's not on there.
Oh, it is. It's right there.
Right here. Yeah.
17.
I love it.
I'm surprised. It normally is. All my tools are normally right. On your right, the 18's on there.
The other side is 17 too.
I'm willing and able. So I put my cards on the table. That's right, Sergi. Paint that up outside. Stinks. Where'd all your homies go? Your homies dipped without even saying bye. They some cold motherfuckers. Now they're in the office?
Probably.
Want me to do that for you, Sergi?
What up? You wanna paint it?
I mean, I feel like I do a way better job than you just wasting paint like that.
Alright.
Alright, so check this out, Sergi. Check this out. Look at how good that applied, Sergi. Like to do it with your thumb too. With your thumb, you get it even better.
It's alright.
Really? You don't think that's... Yeah, that's clean, dog. You're tripping. You do it so it comes on evenly and doesn't run. You going to the store? Sergi's tripping. This is coming out clean. getting tired. Paint surgery. Let's go get some more paint from Sergi.